What's going on, everybody? I'm over here in Charlotte, North Carolina right now at the night terminal. You can see all the trucks out here. This is the shop. Give you guys a quick rundown. I'm waiting for a high value load, pretty awesome Macy's load full of some high-end clothing and whatnot. The driver is leaving Tampa. He's supposed to be here later this evening. It looks like he's not coming till tomorrow, so I figured I'd make a little shot of what we got going on here. So this is the fuel island over here. That's the Mountain Dew. They fill the fuel up there. You do that there. I get all my fuel up Pilot Flying J, so I get all my points. My truck is right there, sitting in the back. That's a leased area back there. There was no parking out here when I got here yesterday, so that's where I had to park back there. It's like a dirt lot. This is the shop though. This is where they do all of the maintenance repairs here in Charlotte. That's the secure parking lot for the drivers that live over here. Oh, excuse me. And this is just the oil reserves and stuff for when they do oil changes and all that. You can see some batteries there, all that. But this is the actual terminal over here. Basketball. Big generator right there. Let me walk up these stairs here. Got a nice little patio, big grill right there. You want to do some cooking? Got a little guy here. Look at this. Ooh, exclusive. When you come in, that's where the driver managers would be. Of course, they're off now. It's Saturday afternoon. Boards here. Oh, look at that. Don't hesitate to shout out to me. We got ice machine, filling up those coolers and whatnot. Microwave, all that. Little table. Got a couple of shower bathrooms. They're working on this one here, but the idea of what's going on here. They got one over here. That water is just right at the bottom of the thing. It's not peeing that toilet. And we got our sitting area here. Football game on. Oklahoma, Texas going right now. The vending machines. That's where I got this guy right there. The bathroom. And this is where we do our laundry. All the terminals, or most of the terminals have what's in there. But most of the terminals have washer and dryers. Free for use, they don't cost anything for us. So that's pretty much it. That's inside the Charlotte yard here. Stay tuned, I'm gonna have more videos for you guys coming up. A little more in-depth detail and all that. Sorry about the first video, I couldn't get the audio going and it was a pain in the butt, so I just kind of left it as it is right now. Been busy driving, obviously, can't edit videos and drive. But stay tuned, got more stuff coming your way. See you later.